Welcome to NG Wheels. The 2026 Yamaha XT250 arrives as a quiet revolution in the dual sport world, a motorcycle built for riders who value simplicity, reliability, and the freedom to explore without limits. This newest version of Yamaha's long-lived XT lineage stays faithful to its core identity, yet every inch of it feels refined, matured, and subtly modernized. It remains a machine that doesn't yell for attention but earns respect everywhere it goes, whether carving through mountain trails, navigating city traffic, or cruising along open country roads. The XT250 has always been about versatility, and for 2026, Yamaha has sharpened that purpose with thoughtful updates designed to enhance comfort, efficiency, and durability. At first glance, the familiar rugged silhouette remains intact, but the updated bodywork introduces a more dynamic stance. Slightly sharper lines, a cleaner LED lighting setup, and refreshed graphics give the bike a contemporary look while still maintaining the XT spirit. It's a motorcycle that immediately feels approachable, lightweight, and ready for whatever terrain lies ahead. Riders will appreciate the slim profile that allows effortless maneuvering and the tall stance that provides a commanding view of the surroundings. Under the frame sits Yamaha's famously dependable 249cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine, now tuned for improved fuel efficiency and optimized torque delivery. While the XT250 has never been about raw power, the 2026 model delivers its performance with smoothness, confidence, and unmistakable Yamaha refinement. The throttle response feels more linear, low-end torque is slightly enhanced, and vibrations are better managed thanks to small mechanical tweaks. Whether you're climbing a rocky hill or easing through urban traffic, the engine offers predictable and comforting character. What truly defines the 2026 XT250 is its balanced chassis. The bike remains incredibly light and nimble, making it ideal for both new riders and experienced adventurers who want an easygoing dual-sport companion. The suspension keeps its long travel design, absorbing bumps, potholes, and trail obstacles with remarkable ease. Yamaha has adjusted the damping for this model year, resulting in a smoother ride without sacrificing off-road responsiveness. The XT250 continues to inspire confidence on any surface, transitioning from tarmac to dirt with no hesitation. Braking performance improves slightly with refinements to the calipers and disc design, offering more consistent feel and better modulation. The addition of an updated dual-channel ABS system ensures safety in wet or unpredictable terrain, yet Yamaha wisely tuned it to avoid interfering with off-road sections where controlled wheel slip may be necessary for skilled riders. The seating arrangement remains one of the bike's strongest attributes. The 2026 seat is a bit firmer but shaped to support longer rides, and the ergonomics encourage an upright, relaxed posture. Standing on the pegs feels natural and stable, which is essential for trail riding. The handlebar position, lever feel, and switchgear all reflect Yamaha's attention to rider comfort and durability. The digital instrument cluster has been modernized slightly, offering clearer visibility under harsh sunlight, while still maintaining the simplicity dual-sport riders often prefer. No overwhelming electronics, no unnecessary distractions, just the essentials presented cleanly. Ultimately, the 2026 Yamaha XT250 remains a motorcycle built for people who want freedom without complication. It is the kind of bike that starts every time, runs everywhere, and asks for very little in return. It's a companion for daily commuting, weekend trail exploration, and spontaneous adventures into the unknown. Yamaha hasn't tried to reinvent the XT, instead, they've refined and preserved its essence. With its reliability, affordability, and versatility, the 2026 XT250 stands proudly as a loyal partner for anyone who chooses the path less traveled.